is Michelle, and I'm from Dublin, California, and I just finished my home remodel with Shefer Builder. What I love about Shefer, and with Yaniv especially, is that he was really open. He showed me a ton of projects and was really enthusiastic about what I wanted to achieve with my house. I think what had set him up differently is that he actually was open to us visiting one of his projects. And so we got to see his crew in action, and that really sealed the deal. During this process, I knew I wanted a one-stop shop. And what I loved about Shefer Builder is that he created a team around me. We were always in contact and we had open communication. Every person on the team really contributed to make the project a success. Truly, Yaniv is like family. I could always call him, text him, and just kept me informed, which I felt really comfortable about. I mean, honestly, I just love my house. It is a dream come true. It is a true transformation, and the process was easy. It was really seamless, and I'm so happy to be here. I recommend Shefer Builder to everyone.